Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the Knaus Deseo, which is not the caravan in the standard sense, but perhaps what our American RVing cousins might call a very compact toy hauler, for reasons that will become very obvious in a minute. So you can see nice big long A-frame on the front, so great for bikes outside if that's where you want them, on the A-frame. But yes, it is a tiny caravan on a twin axle. And that is a massive, massive tailgate you saw. But first, let's go and have a little look inside and have a look around at the main components here. A small washroom at the front here. Compact, sort of wet room style arrangement. Storage in the walls and in the slope at the front where the sink sits underneath. Loo beneath, and then great big drop down storage, probably good for laundry and all that sort of stuff, so good to be making use of every single bit of space there. Not quite sure what's going on right in that front corner. You might lose stuff down there.
Is now open. We hope you have a very enjoyable day. The show is now open.
And then next to the washroom, there's a big storage cupboard wardrobe arrangement. And the rest of the space is quite flexible. So there's a kitchen next to the washroom. It's a compact little kitchen, little fridge and hob and sink. Handy little storage pockets, and then at the back here we have a drop down bed with some cupboards suspended underneath, and then under that is this sitting area which folds down to another bed, so you can use this as a 4-berth with a double on the bottom and a double on the top, and just drop down that single bed that's suspended over the top. And then on the opposite side, a very small sort of sideboard. But the main purpose of this is as a transporter. So lots and lots of flexible space, and you can buy these with motorcycle mounting points in the floor. And as you saw from the data I put up on the screen earlier, with quite significant payloads, so you can actually transport motorbikes in here as well as push bikes. In fact, you can get an adapter to fit 2 motorbikes in here. And if you opt for the heaviest chassis available, that's the 2-ton chassis, then that leaves you with 402 kilograms of payload. The standard chassis, I should say, is 1800 kilograms. Anyway, let's do our little traditional panorama to finish us off. And I hope you enjoyed that quick overview. Thanks so much for watching. Do a thumbs up if it was helpful, and hope you liked this tour of this tiny little but super functional, super flexible space that is the Knaus Deseo. Cheers everyone, and catch you next time. Bye for now. See ya.